Today we'll be going into Canvas and making sure our grades are listed by due date. To do so, we're going to start by logging into Canvas. Next, we're going to go and log into the correct course, IP&T 371. From here on our homepage, we're going to go to our grades and click on it. As we can see, our grades are labeled through modules. We need to click this tab and go to due date. Once done, hit apply. From there, to make sure that this is complete, I'm going to go to my far left-hand corner and click the refresh button. From there, I can see that this change has been made and saved.